Hey everyone, Fickwit Fishing here. I have a nice video for you guys today. This is actually a collection of ultralight fishing clips that I've had. Of course, the few days that I went out, I didn't catch enough to make a full video, so I saved all the clips and I put them into this one video for all of you. Of course, during the quarantine, my local spots are being flooded with people, so it's hard to get out there and make a full video. But I put all these clips together for all of you, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm going to switch up here to my all-time favorite panfish lure, silver jig head, trout magnet jig head with this yellow colored trout magnet. Let's see if we can get something. Alright, so now usually with this trout magnet I can take it and drop it behind some of these boulders and stuff that are just kind of chilling in the water here. Usually something will be hiding under there. Got one. What is this? Giant crappie. Holy smokes. Crappie are killer over here. Try to boat whip this guy. What a nice first fish. Dang. I've caught more crappie out of this little area in the last 2 weeks than I have in my whole life, literally. Man, nice little crappie. All right, we'll let him go. On the trout magnet, super ultralight rod. And let me tell you guys how I caught that fish. So you can kind of barely see this little boulder, and there's some sticks right there. I just chunked this trout magnet past it and just kind of worked it to where it sunk right behind that rock. And then sure enough, when I lifted up my rod, there was that crappie. Man, that's awesome. Crappie have slowly become some of my favorite fish to catch. Got one. There it is. Knew it. Look at that. Oh, you got one too?
Yeah.
Did we just, bring it over here. Did we just double up on long gear? Get out. Look at the colors on you may have a female, I may have the male. Hold on. Here, let's put him on the ground.
Orange and mine's more yellow.
Yo, let's see, put him on the ground real fast. Look at that. Wow.
There.
But we doubled up there. All right. Nice long gears.
Those are
All
pretty.
right. Whoop. Ouch. Got me. All right, I'll let mine go. Now I'll let Raven's go. Good looking fish right there. We may have found some bigger ones. Need some help?
Yes, please.
All right. Yeah, well, I guess that really goes to show. You want to let him go or you want me to?
You can.
All right, I'll let him go. Let's see, I'm just gonna try to drop him in there.
I've got one, but I thought you said, oh, you've got one. And then I looked over because I heard your splash. And I was like, oh, well, I think I've got something too.
Did you get it? Oh my goodness. Look at this. Little baby turtle.
He's so cute. Do you think he bites?
I don't know. I'm not the turtle man. I don't know. That's kind of cool though. Raven, crappie, crappie. John, another crappie. Oh my gosh, get out. They are so spawning over here. This one is definitely not as big as the one that I caught the other day. Oh gosh, oh man, it's mad. Full spawn colors going. Barely hooked, look at that. Barely hooked. Good looking crappie. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. Man. I have come to love crappie. Well, third one that I've caught. Caught one. I've caught one every other day for the past several days. That's awesome. All right, we'll let him go. Nice. Yes. Hey, Raven. Got one. Yeah, a little long ear. Good looking fish. Yeah, a little long ear sunfish. Yep. So they're here. There's some fish here. They're just chilling on the bottom. All right. Let that guy go. Oh, there we go. Got hung out there. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, oh, I snagged him. It's like a baby. Oh, baby long ear. All right, let you go. Sorry about that. Huh? What? What? What you got? Oh, you got some fishing line?
Got a bait on it.
Oh, no way. Are you kidding me right now? Look at that. Catch of the day. I think that's like a, obviously I want to say it's a Rick Klung crankbait.
Here, don't throw that back out there. It's still got fishing line on it.
Yeah, we'll get, oh, watch out. Don't you guys. Dude, check that out.
Alright, that's good. You can throw it back out there.
Good looking crankbait.